Hi, I'm George Newjame, Associate Broker with Dave Jones Realty, and today I am excited to bring you 11 Woodmir Road in Waterbury, right here in the East End, in the heart of Waterbury, Connecticut. Come check out this home with me. This home features not just an quiet neighborhood, but a great backyard that is fenced in, wonderful for outdoor dining and entertainment. Come check it out with us. This home is a perfect combination of comfort, functionality, and location. Ideal for anyone looking for a move-in ready space, and it feels just like home. One of my favorite things about this property is how bright and welcoming this living spaces are. You get great natural light and an easy flow that works for both everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen sits right at the heart of this home, offering plenty of workspace and connection to the main areas. Exactly what today's buyers are looking for. With comfortable bedrooms and inviting outdoor space, this home gives you the flexibility to relax, host, and enjoy every season. I'm George Newjame with Dave Jones Realty. For more information or to schedule a private showing of 11 Woodmir Road, reach out today. I would love to show you around.